Hello, it's Keith from Kinvert, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get the plastic out of the nozzle if the filament broke. So let me bring this forward here, and hopefully you'll see the filament kind of broke off right at the top. And so the first thing that we're going to actually do is get this back here, focus on the screen, there we go. So we're going to go to Tool, Preheat, and ABS, and you want to wait until the temperature gets all the way up. I've already done that. The temperature is at 210 degrees according to this, and so now we're going to move this back forward. Okay, so we can see the extruder assembly here, that little bit of plastic that's poking up, and what I'm going to do is squeeze down the tensioner and try to push just enough that plastic melts. So there I can see plastic melting out of the nozzle, and now I'm just going to pull this out. And hopefully you'll see here the end of this is melted. So you want to make sure to heat this up and then pull it out. And then you're going to put in your new plastic, which I have here. And what I'm going to do is cut it at an angle. Once this starts to curve, it can be difficult to, I got to find where this goes. I've got a 10-month-old, there we go. So I got that end I clipped. Alright, can we still see this? So what I'm going to do is get this into the hole at the top and push down. Don't burn your fingers, and then squeeze down the tensioner, and you're going to push this down. And sometimes it's not very easy to find the hole that goes to the nozzle itself. I think I got it. Do I have it, or is it pushing? Sometimes this plastic will, see the plastic going out the back? Over here, see this? So with this extruder, this hot end, it's not great. So I'm going to have to pull this back up because the plastic just basically escaped out the side. And it can be difficult to sit there and find the hole that the plastic needs to go in because you can't see it. You're just kind of feeling around with the plastic. I think I got it. Yep, now I can feel some resistance, but it is letting me push in. And there we go. There's plastic coming out the bottom. So as your plastic gets a curve, especially towards the middle of the spool, it can be pretty tough to get everything lined up and get the tensioner squeezed, get this through so that it lines up with the top hole and the bottom hole, gets through the actual extruder gear. But yeah, that's how we swap out filament if it breaks off on the Powerspec i3 Plus. So, Keith from Kinvert, hope this was helpful. It's part of our online course for CAD and 3D printing. And yeah, we will see you guys later. Bye-bye.